Hello, my name is Peter Mrozinski, Product Manager at Agilent Technologies. I'd like to introduce a new instrument. The Agilent 7696A Sample Prep Workbench is a sample prep device that can automate your lab's most tedious, time-consuming, and variable manual methods. Its reproducibility will eliminate the variability of manual techniques and save the cost and time of reworking samples. The instrument consists of three 50-vial trays. These vials hold your samples, resources like solvents, derivatizing reagents, and standards. There are two liquid handling towers, a wash station built into each tower. There's a spin vortex station for mixing your samples, and a single position heater. There is also an optional 50-vial tray heater and a 50-vial tray cooling station. The liquid handling towers are used for aliquoting your samples, diluting samples, reconstituting your samples. You can do precise additions of standards or reagents for things like serial dilutions or to make calibration samples. Your samples can then be reacted under temperature-controlled conditions, either through the standard single-position heater, or if you have more samples to run simultaneously, you can get the optional 50-vial tray heater. This will allow you to run your samples in batches. In addition to the tray heater, there is an additional 50-vial position tray which is chilled down to 5 degrees C. This is for thermally labile samples, samples that need to be kept cool either prior, during the analysis, or if you want to leave them in the instrument after analysis. At any point in your sample prep, you can mix the sample using the built-in spin vortexer. It allows you to adjust the speed, direction, and the duration. To ensure that the correct sample is being prepared with the correct resources, the barcode reader can be employed to record the barcodes in the sample prep report. The Workbench software provides an intuitive interface to the instrument. No programming is necessary, so you can concentrate on the chemistry. A simple drag-and-drop interface is employed to convert your manual sample prep into an automated method. There is a resource manager that keeps track of your chemical resources and won't allow you to start a series of samples unless there are sufficient resources to finish. Multiple series of samples can be queued so you can walk away and leave the system unattended for hours. Default settings and example methods are provided to help you convert your manual techniques into an automated method. There are no proprietary consumables used in the Agilent Sample Prep Workbench. Samples are prepared in industry standard 2 milliliter vials, which are compatible with any LC or GC sampler. Due to its accuracy and precision, you can use less solvent on the workbench. So by converting your manual techniques to an automated technique, you can save on solvent, glassware, standards, pipette tips, and solvent disposal. There's also cost savings associated with the decrease in variability when you switch to an automated technique. The workbench is very reproducible from day to day and instrument to instrument. Manual sample prep techniques can expose people in the lab to potentially hazardous chemicals. By converting to an automated technique, you can minimize this exposure. As an additional safety feature, the workbench is designed to operate in a hood. While the computer can be located outside the hood, there is a screen on the instrument that gives the status of your samples. As you have seen, by scaling down your manual sample prep technique, you will generate less need for solvent, clean glassware, and the disposal of solvent, so you can have less impact on the environment. For additional information, such as brochures, data sheets, and application notes on the Agilent 7696A Sample Prep Workbench, visit our website.